Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to log in my Coinbase account, only ways. Start by opening the Coinbase app or website and enter your registered email address, then tap Continue. Next, type your password carefully and press Sign In. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication using your Authenticator app or SMS code. If you see unfamiliar devices, lock your account and change the password immediately to protect your funds. In this video, I will show how to log in my Coinbase account, only way. If you can't sign in, choose Forgot Password and follow the secure reset link sent to your email address. Verify the email is the one you registered and check spam or promotions. If two-factor codes fail, sync your device clock or use a backup code. For persistent issues, contact Coinbase support through the official help center while avoiding phishing links. In this video, I will show how to log in my Coinbase account, only way. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is smart, voice controllable, and cuts down on chores so you can focus on securing your crypto. It learns your home and cleans reliably, a small time saver that pairs perfectly with busy routines. If this sounds useful, hit subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to log in my Coinbase account, only way. After signing in, review your security settings and enable two-factor authentication with an Authenticator app rather than SMS for better protection. Consider a hardware wallet for long-term holdings and keep recovery phrases offline and hidden. Remove old devices from your account and change passwords regularly. These simple steps reduce the risk of unauthorized access and keep your crypto investments safer over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.